rented a motorbike in Bali and took it on a ferry to Lombok. Join my road trip adventure on two wheels over the beautiful roads across Lombok and Bali.
Dealer, here I come. It's my last day on Lombok, and before I drive to the ferry I want to check the bike because of the stalling engine. It must be something with the battery or even worse, the alternator. Johnny from Moto Adventure Bali told me to visit a Honda workshop here in Kuta. Honda. Morning. I come for a new bike.
This is the problem, yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's not really a big problem. I can drive, but when I stop somewhere, the engine shuts down all the time.
Oh ya, dia kira dia check for mechanic.
Okay.
Check. Do you want white?
Sorry?
You want white here?
Yeah, I will wait for a moment here. If it's not that big of a deal. How long it will take, you think?
Berapa menit? 1 hour maybe.
1 hour.
Yes.
Okay, that's okay.
1 hour or 2 hours?
2 hours?
Yes.
Yeah, I have to go to the ferry, so...
Can you go the Federal Canton?
The what?
Can you go the Bengkel Canton? You know?
The bank, yeah?
Yes. The Federal. The front Indomart.
What's there?
The front Indomart, the
Yeah.
Federal Canton.
Katon.
Yes. Can you go to Canton?
With this bike?
Yes.
It's also a mechanic.
The one's mechanic.
One mechanic?
Yes.
All right. We have a little bit of a language barrier here. Well, if it's gonna take so long, then I will just drive how it is. Probably it's just a battery. I cannot stay here for 2 hours. I'm not gonna do that.
Can you go to Canton?
I don't know what's Katon.
You know Indomart?
Yo! Guardian angel. Out of the language.
Hello, sir.
Oh, yeah. But that's also on now. I can go, but from the rental company they said me to go here. Ah, okay.
That's right. Okay, you have to go to other shop, but it's not Honda.
Ah, yeah,
Is it allowed to from the rental?
Yeah, they told me to go here, but I think I'm just gonna let it be because I will make it to Bali anyways. Otherwise, it's gonna take a lot of time.
Dia nggak bisa starter.
Aki ya?
Kayaknya perlu dicek akinya.
Cek aki.
Ya.
The only thing is, every time when I stop somewhere, it stalls,
Okay.
you know.
Let's go to other shop.
Quickly.
Let's check the battery, and then if it's let's go.
If they can fix it quick,
Sure.
I will call Johnny there.
And then ask the how. Yeah.
All right, thank you. I love Indonesia. So Hello.
Apa oli sama cek aki.
New bike, please. So luckily Fathir spotted me. Makes it a lot easier. See what they can do here then. As soon we rolled into the workshop, the guys quickly started with checking the bike. That's how they roll. No questions, right away, fixing the machine. That's what I said, you know, Indonesia. After some measuring, they concluded that it was the battery. So after replacing the battery, I was good to go. But I couldn't leave before saying bye to my friend Fathir. Say goodbye on camera, right?
See you in Bali maybe.
Yeah, let me know.
Inshallah.
And otherwise I will come to Jakarta for sure. Thanks man for everything. Alright, take care. Bye bro. Bye guys. Bye. I left Kuta. Time to make my way to one of the ferries operating between Lombok and Bali. Before I leave Lombok, I have to make a picture with Pertamina. Just here next to the official MotoGP circuit from Lombok, Indonesia. Obviously sponsored by. And from here it's a 1.5 hour drive to the boats over the beautiful roads of Lombok. From Kuta there's a more scenic way, but the ferry takes also a few hours and I didn't want to arrive in complete darkness on Bali. Something will happen anyway, but that's for the next episode. Thank you for watching. And everything here on the boat. Snacks, all kinds of drinks, and even live music. Yes,